Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add pages to the menu, which can be horizontal as well as vertical. But here in this case you can see this is the horizontal menu. So after watching this video you will be able to add or remove the pages to the menu of your Wix site. So let's start. So to start with, you just need to click here, and here are all the pages that we have currently on the menu. So if you want to hide this about us page, simply click here and click on hide. Then as you can see, it has been hidden from the menu. So if you want to again add this page to the menu, simply click here and click on show. So that has been again added to the menu. So the other option is click on the horizontal menu, then click on the manage menu, then it will again open this window. So the other option I wanted to show you is if you want to give it a drop down. So let's say for example, if you want to give us contact us as a drop down of about us, then simply click here and click on sub page. So now this will be the drop down of about us page. So as you can see, the contact us page is not there on menu. So now we will just preview this site, and if we hover on this you can see the contact us page has been added to a drop down of our page. So this is how you can add or remove pages from menu. So this was all about adding or removing page from the menu. So thanks folks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.